I feel like I'm about to see baby's eyelids open for the first time. And the reason I say that is because on this side here, closest to the camera, I was seeing a little slit. Ooh, you see that? But now, over here, I see a little slit too. See up on the top side? It's not like human eyes, bird eyes open from the top down instead of from the down up. But as I was looking at this, I was just feeding him. As I was looking at that, I was seeing just a little bit wet right there. I'm like, that baby is about to open his eyes. Like, I bet you anything, tomorrow he will open them. Tomorrow he'll be 4 days old. Can you see it? The slit has appeared to my naked eye, and I see the wetness. I can see it with the camera. You see that? A little bit of wetness there. That's something else. That's something else. That little baby is going to open his little eyes. He's going to be looking at his daddy. He's going to be looking. Yeah, the little baby's going to be looking out there. Oh, my. Baby is 3.5 days old. Look, taking off.